Good afternoon all. Today we are going to see about value engineering function. Introduction to value engineering. Here first of all we are going with the value analysis. So value analysis is one of the major technology, and also here we are having some techniques also we are having. So the first thing is called as cost reduction. Second one is called as cost prevention. These are all the major techniques in this value analysis. It is a disciplined approach that ensures the necessary function for minimum cost without sacrificing quantity, reliability, performance, and appearances. So here we cannot deviate anything with respect to the production. So the quantity is much important, reliability is also important, performance of the particular product is important, then appearance of the particular product is important. So here the value analysis, according to the Society of America Value Engineers, that is SAVE, the value analysis is the systematic application of recognized technique which are identify the function of the product or service. It is established a momentary value for all the functions and provide the necessary functions reliably at the lowest overall cost. It is an organized approach to identify unnecessary cost which is associated with any product, material, part, component, system, service by analyzing the function and eliminating the cost without impairing the quality, functional reliability, or the capacity of the product to give the services. Apply the value analysis. So here we have to apply the value analysis in a company. So company product shows deadlines in sale, and also company prices are higher than those it competitors. Raw material cost has grown drastically, which will reduce the volume of the production. New designs are being introduced. The cost of the manufacturer is rising disproportionate to the volume of the production. The rate of return on investment of the particular falling trend. Inability of the firm is to meet its delivery commitments. These are all the play values of analysis. The value analysis versus the value engineering. Value analysis is the application of a set of techniques to an existing product with a view to improve the value. It is a remedial process. But in value engineering, it is the application of exactly the same set of techniques to a new product at the design stage, production stage, project concept, or the preliminary design when no hardware exists to ensure that bad features are not added. It is a preventive process. So value means the value is used in a different ways and consequently it has different meanings. The designer equates the value with reliability. The purchase person with the price paid for the item. A production person with the what the cost of the manufacturer. A salesperson with the what the customer is will pay. The types of values, the value in the value investigation which will refer to the economy value, it is divided into four types. One is called as cost value, second one is called as exchange value, third one is use value, fourth one is esteem value. So the first one, cost value, it is the summation of the labor, material, overhead and all other elements of the particular cost which required to produce an item or provide a service compared to the base. Exchange value means it is the measure of all the properties, quantities and features of the particular product which makes the product possible of being traded for another product or for money. In conventional case, the exchange value refers to the price that purchasers will offer for the production. The price being dependent upon the certification of the derivatives from the production, that is called as the value. The value derived from the production which consists of two parts, use value, esteem value, which are now described. Use value, it is known as the function value. The value is equal to the value of the particular functions which is performed. Therefore, it is the price paid by the buyer, that is buyer view, or the cost incurred by the manufacturer, that is manufacturer view, in order to ensure that the product performs its intended function efficiently. Use value is the fundamental form of the economic value. An item without use value can have neither exchange value nor esteem value. So use value is much important. The next one is esteem value. It involves the quantities and also the qualities and the appearance of the particular product, which attracts the persons and create in them a desire to possess the product. Therefore, esteem value is the price paid by the buyer or the cost incurred by the manufacturer beyond the use value. The next is called as the performance. So the performance of the particular product is the measure of the function, that is features, properties that make it suitable for the specific purpose. So here we are having the appropriate performance, which requires the production of reliability accomplished in intended use of the particular work service environment. Then here we have service and also work requirement is necessary, that is called as the functional requirement. The product provide the protection against the accident, harmful effects, body and danger to the human life. It has safety requirements. The next, reliability requirements. The product is to give trouble-free service covering during the specified lifespan. Then service and maintenance work can be carried out with the particular product with the case of the particular tools. Appearance of the particular products creates an impression on the buyer, and it induces in him and her desire to purchase the particular product. That is called as appearance requirement. Performance and cost must be interbound. So desired performance at the latest cost or else the least cost should be achieved by selecting the appropriate materials and manufacturing operations, which is measure of the particular value. Therefore, the value of the product is the ratio of the performance to the cost. It is the ratio of performance, that is the utility of the particular product to the cost. The value can be decreased or increased based upon the value. It can be increased by increasing the utility of the same cost or by decreasing the cost of the same utility. Satisfactory performance at lesser cost through identification and the development of low cost alternatives is philosophy of the analysis.